So I'm looking at the last 14 days of data for TM Blast. I'm going to go over to this campaign right over here, AI SEO Service for phrase match. I'm going to go to my keyword report. So I'm going to scroll down over here, view all keywords, check off this in the last 14 days, go to search terms report. Now, as I go through this, I'm going to point out one keyword that really stood out to me. It says AI SEO for e-commerce. So, reason why that stood out to me is that I can see that it's actually what people are searching for. That triggers my ads. It's not an exact keyword I'm going after for either paid search or even for SEO. So I have an AI SEO services page on my website, but I realized that what I would actually make the most sense is I should have an AI SEO services page, but then have one for e-commerce as well, because that's a very specific query that I can actually then feed into my SEO strategy. So instead of just going after AI SEO services, I'm going to have another page for AI SEO services for e-commerce websites and really go after that particular niche because I can already tell there's demand for that. Last but not least, in Otterly AI, so I've talked a lot about how I've been able to improve my visibility for hourly SEO for within ChatGPT and Perplexity and Google AI and Microsoft Copilot. Here's another prompt now that I began tracking. It says, who can manage Bing ads to complement SEO strategy? Go to the responses. Again, this what stands out to me. Today, I'm only on Microsoft Copilot for this particular query. And if I go back into the other LLMs, you can see Google and Perplexity and ChatGPT. I'm not featured there. So here is how my brain is working for the next steps. So I'm recording this video right now, and I'm going to put it on YouTube, but then I'm going to embed this onto my website. I'm going to create a blog post about who can manage Bing ads to complement SEO strategy. I'm going to write about exactly what I'm talking about right now. I'm going to embed the video, and then I believe by having this blog post on my website, it's going to help with AI visibility for this, which is great. So that, that's part of the strategy. Then I believe that with the search terms report within Bing, I'm going to create now an AI SEO for e-commerce landing page, go after that from an SEO perspective. And then of course, from the paid search part, I'm going to, split out this from a generic ad group and really create one for e-commerce and for B2B and really kind of, refine my process. But I really want to record this video because, again, I manage Google ads and Bing ads for my clients, but I think sometimes Bing is overlooked. It's a lower cost per click, and you can get some really keyword rich data from Bing that doesn't necessarily always show up on SEMrush or Ahrefs, but you can see, hey, people are searching for this on Bing. If I can create this landing page on my website and get a little bit of some traffic from Bing and Yahoo and AOL and DuckDuckGo and Ecosia, because since Bing powers all those search engines, I might be able to get a few more clients from that. Basically, go after this particular keyword. Something I would have never even thought of until I ran the Bing ads account. So anyway, I hope this video was interesting. Maybe it sparked some ideas what you could do for your paid search strategy, your SEO strategy, or even your AI SEO strategy. Let me know if you have any questions, and as always, have a good rest of your day.